Sometimes ang pumipigil sa atin na magkaroon ng overflowing na buhay, ask me what? We forgot to be grateful enough. Sometimes, kaya tayo nahihirapan magkaroon ng overflowing life, ask me why? Hindi tayo naniniwala. Because we want things on our control. Because we think we always just want to think. Maybe ang nagbablock sa ating overflowing life and overflowing blessing because feeling natin we are not in the receiving mode of these blessings. Kasi ang dami nating blocks, ang dami nating bagahe, at ang dami nating justification as to why we're not living an overflowing life. That if today is the last day of my life, and that if today is the last day of your life, you've got everything you need, you've got everything you want without worry. Would it be okay kung pag-usapan natin to? Yes? During that time, kaya pala ang pananaw ko sa sarili ko, sino ba naman ako? Ang pananaw ko sa sarili ko, undeserving of blessings. Meron ba nakaka-relate dito? Ako lang dito, tao lang. Are you guys with me? Ask me why. Because the first mindset and the first consciousness that operates in my life is what I call the victim mindset. Can everyone say the victim mindset? Ano yung victim mindset, ladies and gentlemen? Ito yung kaibigan mo. May mga kaibigan kayong biktima ng buhay. Yung parang lahat na lang, parang tapikin mo na yung katabi mo, sabi mo, friend, kaka-telenovela mo yan. Yung parang feeling niya siya yung bida sa telenovela. May mga friends kayong ganyan. Sabi niya, parang kawawa naman ako. Kita mo kung ano yung ginawa sa akin. Natabig lang, hindi naman sinasadya. Kita mo, inaapi-api ako, natabig ka lang, besh. Makareact ka, kala mo talaga, minaltrato ka ng buhay. May mga kilala kayong ganyan. Huwag mo tignan yung katabi mo, sa akin lang ang tingin. Sabi nung iba, gumaganyan, no? So, may mga kilala kayong ganyan, yes or no? Victim mindset, ito yung the world happens to you. Ito yung kapag may problema, kawawa ka naman. And will you ever achieve success if you feel like you're a victim, yes or no? Will you ever achieve success if you will always carry a baggage, yes or no? And what baggage am I talking about? Ask me what? The baggage of constantly blaming. Aalis na lang ako ng Pilipinas, walang pera dito. Kasi kasalanan ng gobyerno. Tapikin mo yung katabi mo, besh, nakakapitong gobyerno ka na. Ano, lahat sila mali? Ikaw lang tama? Are you guys with me? That's why maybe even if you want to be successful or towards the life that you want, am I just talking about business or career or money? Yes or no? How about your family? Isisisi mo pa rin ba yung gobyerno kung bakit hindi ka nag-spend ng oras sa anak at pamilya mo? Isisisi mo pa rin ba sa oportunidad ng buhay why you've chosen to say to your kids and to your loved ones, Nak, sorry, hindi ako makakapunta, busy ako? Will you always constantly blame people? Blame the world. As if the world happens to you, the world is against you. Sabi ng mundo, ba't parang kasalanan ko? Are you guys with me? Maybe the reason why it no longer works personally for me is because during that time, kaya pala hindi ako umuusad sa buhay kasi ang laging tingin ko, kasalanan ng iba maliban sa akin. Yung pride ko, buti sana kung may maipagyayabang. Kaso yung pride ko, wala na nga maipagyayabang, feeling victim pa. Tapikin mo yung katabi mo, sabi mo, friend, ang yabang, iayon sa kagandahan. Kung parang kasi Ma'am Nicole, okay lang eh. Maganda yan eh. Pero kung parang katulad ko lang din ikaw, normal lang na tao, itsura mo, iayon ang kayabangan sa kagandahan. Are you with me? Tama mali? Real talk lang, yes or no? Maybe victim mindset doesn't work. Kasi yung victim mindset will create the next mindset and that mindset is what we call the negative mindset. Ano yung negative mindset? Ito yung kaibigan mo. Sino dito may kaibigan ka negative? Sino dito negosyante? Taas ang kamay. Gusto ko lang malaman. Mga negosyante kayo, yes or no? Sino dito bilang negosyante tinry mo ng tumulong? Sino dito may mga kaibigan kayo, sa lahat ng tinulong mo, meron siyang problema sa bawat tulong? Sino dito negosyante, taas ang kamay? May mga tao kayo, yes? O may mga relative kayo, yes or no? Tapos yung relative nyo lalapit sa'yo, sabi sa'yo, tulungan mo naman ako kasi kailangan ko ng tulong. Tama, mali? Tapos sabi mo, sige, tutulungan kita, ito gawin mo. Pero kasi kapag ginawa ko yan, ito lang mangyayari. May mga kaibigan kayong ganyan, may mga tao kang ganyan, may problema sa kada solusyon. Instead na may solusyon sa kada problema, yung problema mas marami sa solusyon, yes or no? Can you relate? I could still remember ako personally, I have a relative like that, no? Sabi niya, tulungan mo ako. O sige, tulungan kita. Bigyan kita ng trabaho. Kaso sa Ortigas yung office, ang sagot niya sa akin, ang layo. Sabi ko, bibigay ko na yung trabaho sa'yo, hindi mo na kailangan mag-apply, papa-job offer na kita. Ang layo kasi, tapos syempre traffic. Can you relate? O sige, wag na lang kako, wag na lang. Tapos punta ka ng bibigyan na lang kita ng negosyo, ako mamumuhunan ng stocks, tapos ang gagawin mo na lang ima-market saka ibebenta mo, ikaw nang bahala. Pero kasi wala akong kilalang prospect. May mga friends kayong ganyan? Sabi ko, o sige, nahirapan ka naman, no? During the pandemic, lumapit ulit. Sabi ko, o sige, tutulungan kita. Nala niya, Axie? Ako na mamumuhunan. During that time, medyo kalakasan. So, yung Axie, alam niyo ba mahal yon? Sabi niya sa akin, good morning, manager. Sabi ko, sige na, ako na mamumuhunan, gagawin mo na lang. Para lang kumita ka. Di namuhunan na ako, yes? Ano sabi sa akin? Ask me what? Sorry. Sabi ko, so ano, yung puhunan ko, sorry na lang to? Ano sagot sa akin? Ask me what? Kasi yung Axie bumababa na, nakakapagod. Ay, sabi ko, hiyang-hiya naman ako. Are you guys with me? O, wag ka na mag-alala. Meron ako bago, no? Because this person lives in Cavite. Sabi kong ganyan, meron ako. So I became the chief strategy of Genesis. Yung office namin sa Cavite, Molino Boulevard, sa labas lang ng subdivision. Sabi ko sa kanya, eto meron akong good news. Tanong nyo sa akin kung ano yung good news. Lalabas ka na lang ng subdivision mo. Ako nang bahala makipag-vouch sa HR. Sabihin ko sa HR, referral kita. Sabi niya, kasi wala pa ako experience dun sa trabaho. Sabi ko, utang na loob, wag na nga. Can you imagine? Sino dito can relate? Ako lang ba yung ganyan? Ba't parang mas gusto ko pa na maging successful ka kaysa sa'yo? Can you relate? Ba't parang mas may pake pa ako sa buhay mo kaysa sa'yo? Can you relate? Am I just talking about me, yes or no? No. How about you? For the longest time, have you been living your life so negative na naisip mo na yung problema sa kada solusyon na para bang yung ibang tao mas gusto pa na maging successful ka kaysa sa'yo? Based on what? Ask me what? Not based on commitment. Ask me why. Words are cheap. Tapikin mo yung katabi mo, sabihin mo, friend, words are cheap. Pag nagpataas ako ng kamay ngayon, lahat naman tayo gusto natin maging successful, yes or no? Pag nagpataas ako ng kamay ngayon, lahat naman tayo gustong umasenso, yes or no? Lahat tayo gusto naman ng magandang buhay, yes or no? And not just you, even your employees, sino negosyante, taas ang kamay. Di ba yung mga tao natin during interview, lahat naman sila best foot forward? Lahat naman sila sabihin nila, willing po ako mapagsabihan, sir. Sino nakaka-relate? Ako lang ba yun? Yung magsasabi sa'yo, sir, ma'am, hindi po ako madaling ma-offend. Tapos ngayon, ang bilis ma-offend. Tama, mali. Ask me why. Words are cheap. But I want you to take a look into your mindset right now. Can everyone say the word mindset? And the mindset here is on the basis of your habit. Of your what? Do you really have the commitment not to be negative, but maybe translate it into a positive mindset? And that positive is not about being in denial of your problem. Klaro tayo? I'm not asking you to be in denial of your problem, but I'm asking you, sabi nga ng Miss Universe, to find the silver lining. Naks. But seriously, to find the positive in every situation. Do you agree with me that there is a lesson or a positive in every situation? Yes or no? Do you agree with me that sometimes your problems made you a stronger person? Yes or no? Will you agree with me that sometimes your problem ginagawa ka nitong mas mapagmahal, mas understanding, mas compassionate, at mas mabuting tao? Yes or no? Na maybe the reason why you had lessons in the past is because it is preparing you for your future. Yes or no? But maybe there is something that we can learn from being positive. Tawag ng ibang tao dyan, optimistic. Klaro tayo? But is that enough? Say no. Everyone say no. Ask me why. Sino dito katulad ko, may kilala ka namang positive mind, pero hindi gumanda ang buhay? Taas ang kamay. Tama? Masayahin, palatawa, pero hindi umasenso. May kilala ka, yes or no? Ask me why. Because maybe this person forgot to have a mindset of being responsible. Ladies and gentlemen, majority of the time, ang pinakamahirap na mindset, ask me what, ay yung maging responsable. Ano yung mindset ng pagiging responsable? Ask me what? Na kapag hindi maganda ang nangyari sa buhay ko, I'm equally responsible for it. That I can no longer blame anyone. I can no longer blame any institution. I can no longer blame whatever in my life. The only thing that I could blame is me. Hard pill to swallow. Are you with me? And when I talk about responsible mindset, I mean, I have the capacity to grow and I have the capacity to change. Are you guys with me? I have the capacity to what? Can everyone say the word change? Magbago. Ask me why. Madaling magsabi. Ang mahirap, magbago. Ask me why. Tanong ko sa inyo, komplikado ba ang buhay? Hindi. Ayaw mo lang. Tama, mali. Kunyari, sino dito may negosyo? Taas ang kamay. Paano i-increase yung benta in today's age, lalo na nasa SuccessCon kayo? Paano i-increase yung benta? Anyone? Isigaw nyo na lang. Mag-online. Thank you. Social media. Tama? What else? Mag-advertise. Thank you. Tama. What else? Ha? Yeah, thank you. You approach people, you do business, you speak to as many people as you can, you present, you prove yourself until you establish a portfolio and enough relationship so these people start to trust you. Yes or no? Pero tatanungin ko sa inyo ngayon, simple ba yon? Komplikado? Simple. Alam mo na nga ngayon kung anong dapat gawin eh. Tama? Pero sometimes we just make it complicated. Ask me why. Magko-content? Baka naman mamaya, mabash ako. Magko-content? Ang hirap naman yan, di ko alam sasabihin. Are you guys with me? Paano, let's be honest, paano mas maging, how can you have the most loving relationship in your life? Isigaw nyo lang, go ahead. Paano? How to have the most loving relationship in your life? Anyone? Thank you. Communicate. Say people that you love them. Tell people that you miss them. Tell people that how much they're important to you. Yes? Okay, what else? Spend time with them. You bond with them. Tama? Magpatawad. Yes or no? Have more understanding. Yes or no? Treat them the way you want to be treated. Yes or no? Simple, komplikado. Simple, ayaw mo lang. Ask me why. Patawarin mo na para happy kayo. Ayoko, siya may mali. Tama, mali. Mag-bonding kayo, pero kasi paano yung negosyo? Can you imagine? Ang sinagot mo sa pamilya mo, paano yung negosyo? Are you guys getting this? What's the point? Ask me what? For the longest time, maybe ang nagbablock sa ating overflowing life and overflowing blessing, ask me why. Because feeling natin, we are not in the receiving mode of these blessings. Kasi ang dami nating blocks, ang dami nating bagahe, at ang dami nating justification as to why we're not living an overflowing life. And I don't mean having 100 million or a billion in the bank. I'm not talking about that. Can I share to you what I'm talking about? Yes or no? That if today is the last day of my life, and that if today is the last day of your life, you've got everything you need, you've got everything you want without worry. And I don't just mean finances, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes it means relationships. Sometimes it means fulfillment. Sometimes it means peace of mind. Are you guys getting this? Are you learning? Why are we talking about this? Because at the end of the day, hindi lang pwedeng kagustuhan ang meron tayo. Klaro ba? Hindi lang pwedeng nasa utak or nasa isip ang desire natin. Hindi lang pwedeng mindset lang. Ask me why. The main basis and the main measure ng ating mindset, gusto nyo malaman kung ano? On the basis of how we treat it, on the basis of our heart. Which means what? Are you basing your heart on gratitude or is it full of worry? Ask me why. How can you have an overflowing life and overflowing blessing full of worry? Sometimes ang pumipigil sa atin na magkaroon ng overflowing na buhay, ask me what? We forgot to be grateful enough. Sabi nga nila scientifically, gratitude and worry cannot coexist at the same time. You wanna try this out? Yes or no? Everyone take a deep breath, inhale. As you exhale, I want you to quickly have your eyes closed. Eyes closed. Okay? Start thinking about your problem. Habang iniisip mo yung problema mo, maging grateful ka sa mga bagay sa buhay mo ngayon. Tapos kapag nag-grateful ka, I want you to smile. Pero think about that problem again. And then be grateful again. And smile. Open your eyes. Sabi ng iba, ba't parang ganun, para akong baliw? Sabi ng iba, ba't parang ganyan, nabubuang na yata ako? Can you do it at the same time? No. Somebody has to go. The only question I want you to have here is, ano ang mas priority ng nasa isip mo? Is it full of worry or is it full of gratitude? Ask me why. Because you cannot have fear and faith at the same time. Anong example ko nito? Sometimes, kaya tayo nahihirapan magkaroon ng overflowing life. Ask me why. Hindi tayo naniniwala. Because we want things on our control. Because we think we always just want to take. Do you have a life full of purpose? Or do you have a life full of agenda? Why? Kasi yung agenda is full of what? Taking. Because you have agenda is not what? Giving. Are you getting this? Yes or no? Why? Kasi you taking, it's full of what? Scarcity. Versus you have an abundance. And can I share to you the truth? Yes or no? Kasi ang nabubuhay is your what? Ego rather than God. Are you all getting this? So I want you to check where your heart is. Kasi sabi nga nila, you guard your heart. And it's not really about you guard your emotion. We're not talking about that. Ask me what? Is your heart full of gratitude, faith, purpose, giving, and abundance? Or is it full of scarcity, always taking from people, agenda, worry, and fear? Are you guys with me? Why am I talking about this? Because at the end of the day, your body will always tell you where you are focused on. If you're still procrastinating today on the basis of your body, that means, is your heart full of excitement? Yes or no? No. Is your heart full of faith? Yes or no? No. So would it be okay if we go through a very powerful activity just to prepare us for the rest of the day, but also to get you into a real experience of what this is all about? Yes? Meron kayo kanya-kanyang section. Tama ba? So, kunyari, ito, section of VIPs, tapos meron tayong section to the left, meron tayong section to my right. Are you with me? Ganon din sa kabila. Meron kayong section dito sa gitna, center middle, meron kayong left middle, meron kayong right middle. Are you with me? Tapos merong mga nasa harap. Nagigets nyo? Here's what's gonna happen. In a moment, okay, I'm gonna be asking you to stand up. Are we clear? This time, kung hindi pa kayo magkakakilala, the better. Okay? I want you to start experiencing people not on the basis of fear, but on the basis of purpose. I want you to start experiencing people not on the basis of nakakahiya. Ask me why. That's fear-driven. But I want you to start experiencing people on the basis of what? Giving. On the basis of what? Faith. And how do you do that? Ask me how. What's one thing that you can give today? Ask me what? Words of affirmation. Am I clear? So in a moment, you will all stand up. No, mamaya I will be giving you 4 minutes. You will stand up. You will just speak amongst your section. Hindi nyo kailangan magbuong kwarto. Klaro ha? Yung ka-section nyo lang yung pag-uusapan nyo. You will shake those hands. You will say, "Sir, good morning. I am this. I'm from this." And then ikaw naman, pakilala mo kung sino ka, taga saan ka. Klaro tayo? And then, share mo naman. Start having a conversation. The conversation is really just all about, for today, if there's one thing that you can be grateful of, ano yun? If there's one thing that you can be grateful of, ano yun? Am I clear? After that, whatever yung sabihin niya, purihin mo. Alam mo, nakaka-inspire ka kasi galing ka pa palang Cagayan, tapos nandito ka ngayon, sana ako rin matutunan ko yung ganyang level of commitment. You start to affirm this person. Klaro ba? Ngayon, kapag ikaw yung pinuri, tanungin mo pabalik, ikaw naman, what is that one thing that you can be grateful of today? Am I clear? As you do it, kapag ikaw yung pinuri kanina, purihin mo rin pabalik. Di ba? Siyempre, mahiya ka naman, kailangan quits-quits lang yan. Are you with me? Klaro tayo? And then mamaya, we will start to process it. So can we just go to the previous slide? Because in this case, ang gusto ko, on the basis of your body, I want you to start experiencing it real time today. Ask me why. You want to be prepared for an overflowing life, yes or no? You want to be prepared for an overflowing blessing, yes or no? You gotta start it within. Ask me why. Sabi nga, your body is the temple of the Almighty. Tama? Start it on the basis of its heart. For everything shall flow from it. Are we good? Take a deep breath. Inhale. As you exhale, please stand up. Go to the people in your section. Go to the people in your section. Start asking these people, sino ka, taga saan ka?
This is a day of salvation. What a time to be alive. Stop looking for the evidence and start living in the promises. And this is the year of His favor. This is the rain that we pray for. Start living in the promises. Like
Let's
you know
go!
who your Father is. Heaven's tearing open wide.
Let's go!
Feel it down on
Fill
the
the place with
inside.
gratitude. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Affirm
Heaven's tearing open wide. I feel it down on the inside. I feel it down on the the water.
What are you grateful of? Go ahead!
Baptized in the water. And the water is
You inspire me because, go ahead!
in the water. And the water is wild. I've been baptized in the water. And the water is wild. I've been baptized in the water. And the water is wild. I've been baptized in the water. And the water is wild. I've been baptized in the water. And the water is wild. Staring open wide.
And everyone, go back to your seats. Go back to your seats. Palakpakan nyo naman yung sarili nyo. Go ahead. Give yourselves a hand. Go back to your seats.